Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Mi phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset on your Mi phone, first press and hold the power button. Now slide upward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully powered off. Now press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold the volume up and power button together, and when the Mi logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button, and now release. So here you can see it will send you in main menu of Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. You can see here is a reboot, wipe data, connect with Mi assistant, and safe mode is available. Volume keys to move up and down, and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see in wipe data, back to main menu, and wipe all data is available. Go to wipe all data and confirm, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Kindly wait, it is performing a factory data reset. So you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. So guys, this is the method to hard reset your Mi phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much.